Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tool chests and cabinets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Iris USA Drawer Parts Cabinet. Get organized with the Iris USA Drawer Parts Cabinet and its craft cabinet. The multi-purpose organizer is perfect for storing stationaries, office supplies, crafts, beads, hardware, small toys, fishing gear, and more. The cabinet's grooves on the lid securely lock in one on top of another when stacked. It can be wall-mounted using keyhole slots molded into the back of the cabinet. The multiple drawers allow you to sort and store your items by each category to easily identify a specific item you are looking for. The drawers are conveniently sized and have a built-in lip at the back, which means they won't fall out of the drawer cabinet when open. Made out of recyclable material, this eco-friendly product is Green Circle certified and made in the USA with high-quality materials. Moving on, at number 4, we have the LARBANKE 5-drawer rolling tool chest. The LARBANKE tool chest features 5 spacious drawers, allowing you to organize a variety of tools and parts efficiently. With ball-bearing slides, these drawers open smoothly, making it easy for you to access your tools when you need them. The sturdy steel construction ensures long-lasting durability, giving you confidence that your tools are well protected. Additionally, the key locking system secures your tools, preventing any accidental spills during transport. Whether you're in your garage or workshop, this tool chest provides convenience and peace of mind for all your storage needs. At number 3, we have the Yizosh 5-drawer metal tool cabinet. The Yizosh tool storage cabinet is built from durable metal steel, ensuring long-lasting use without rust or harmful chemicals. Its 360-degree rotating wheels allow you to easily move it wherever you need, while the locking feature keeps your tools secure and protected. With 5 spacious drawers, you can organize various tools, making it perfect for any garage or workshop. The top surface also serves as a handy workbench, providing extra space for your projects. This cabinet combines functionality and convenience, making it an essential addition to your workspace. At number 2, we have the Goplus 5-drawer tool chest. The Goplus tool chest is designed to meet your storage needs with its ample space and convenient features. It includes a top tray, 5 drawers, and a spacious bottom cabinet, allowing you to organize various tools easily. The universal lockable wheels make moving the chest a breeze, while 2 of the wheels lock in place to keep it steady when in use. Additionally, the tool chest features a detachable top toolbox that can be used separately, giving you flexibility in your organization. With a secure locking system and protective liners, your tools will be safe from scratches and damage. And finally, at number 1, we have the ChicFurnit 7-drawer tool chest. The ChicFurnit tool chest offers versatile storage with its 7 drawers, 5 standard and 2 large, ideal for organizing tools of various sizes. You can easily access your most used items thanks to the top storage rack. Moving this tool chest around your workspace is a breeze, thanks to its 4 360-degree wheels, 2 of which have brakes for added security. Furthermore, the anti-theft design ensures that only 1 drawer can be opened at a time, keeping your tools safe from theft while you work. This combination of convenience and security makes it a great choice for any workshop. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.